Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to move your Fitbit account to Google account. So to get started with the guide, the first thing to do is your step 1 is to launch the Fitbit app on your iPhone or Android and make sure you are signed in into your current Fitbit account. Then on the step 2, tap your profile picture in the top left corner, then you will see a banner that says Fitbit is moving to Google. So tap on start or move to Google. So just click any of the two prompts. Then from there, you have to choose the Google account you want to link. Then if prompted, sign in to your Google account. Then on step 4, review the terms and conditions. Once you're done, tap continue or agree and move to proceed. Then on step 5, Fitbit will link your account to Google and migrate your data. So once complete, you will see a message continue the switch. Then on step 6, your account is now managed through your Google account. So next time you log in, select sign in with Google, and here's a quick very important note. This is required for continued use. So whenever you want to log into your account, make sure you log through the Google till your Fitbit account is fully migrated to Google completely. And that's it.